In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite new team members, control what they can see, and keep your financial data secure. First, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online as an admin. Only admin users have permission to add and manage other users, so if you don't see the options I'm describing, double-check that you're using an admin account. Once you're signed in, look for the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks screen. This is your main settings menu. Click it, then select the option labeled Manage Users. This is where you'll control who has access to your books. Inside the Manage Users area, you'll see a Users tab listing everyone who already has access to your QuickBooks file. To add someone new, look for the Add User button, sometimes shown as a plus sign with Add. Go ahead and click that to start the process. Now you'll be prompted to enter the new user's basic details. Type in their first name, last name, and the email address where they'll receive the invitation. Take a moment to double-check the email spelling. If it's wrong, they won't get the invite, and you'll have to redo this step. Next, you'll assign a role. From the Roles drop-down, you can choose from predefined roles, such as Standard User, Reports Only, or Time Tracking. Each of these roles comes with a typical set of permissions. If you're not sure which one to pick, think about what this person actually needs to do. For example, if someone just needs to track their hours, the time tracking role is usually enough. If they need to create invoices or enter bills, a standard user role might be more appropriate. If you want more control, select the option to view all permissions. This lets you customize what the user can see and do, including access to customers, vendors, bills, and time activities. Carefully review these settings. Giving someone too much access can be a security risk, while giving too little can slow down their work. Adjust these permissions until they match the responsibilities of that specific user. Once you're happy with the role and permissions, click Send Invitation. QuickBooks will send an email to the address you entered, and the user will need to follow the link in that email to accept the invite and set up their access. Until they accept, their status will show as invited in your Manage Users list. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user and managed their access in QuickBooks Online.